Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to discuss about the requirements of emergency generator. So according to SOLAS Chapter 2, 1, Part D, Regulation 43 and 44, the emergency generator must meet the following stringent requirements. First, it should automatically start and come on load within 45 seconds during an emergency. This quick activation is vital for the safety of crew and ship. The emergency generator must have at least two starting modes, primary mode and secondary mode. Here is an interesting detail. The generator must be able to start in an ambient temperature of 0 degrees centigrade. But what if the ship operates in sub-zero temperatures? In that case, a heating arrangement is mandatory to keep the generator ready to start. The generator must also support key systems for a minimum of 18 hours. These include emergency lighting, navigational lights, internal communication systems, and the fire pump. This ensures that even in darkest scenarios, the ship remains operational and safe. Another safety factor is the fuel used by the generator. It must have a flashpoint of no less than 43 degrees centigrade, reducing the risk of accidental fires. And the generator should function even when the ship is inclined to a 2 to 5 degree list and 10 degree trim. The switchboard for the emergency generator should be located in the same compartment for immediate access. Additionally, there must be a quick closing valve installed outside the emergency generator room. This is a critical safety feature to control fuel in case of an emergency. In summary, SOLAS ensures that emergency generators are ready to perform under extreme conditions to protect life at sea. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is not just about compliance, it's about safety. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Navigate with Ankit for more maritime educational content.